Hey guys, so here's your feedback for lesson 16. You had to obviously write your name here and then tell me what fraction belongs in the circle. So if this is 0/4, this is 1/4, this is 2/4, so this one has to be 3/4. I think most people got that one right. How many fourths make up one whole? One is here. We know that's 4/4. Or we could look at it with our fraction bars. We can tell that it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to make up one whole when you're dealing with fourths. Or we could look at it here and say, okay, this is one whole. How many fourths does it take? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. It takes 4 fourths to make up one whole. So the answer there should be 4. What fraction belongs in the circle above? Well, if this is 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, I know this is 3/4, this is 4/4, so this has to be 5/4. How many fourths make up two wholes? Well, here's 2. I've got 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4. So 2 must be 8/4 make up two wholes, and I'll show you that here. Here we've got 1, 2 wholes. There's 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, and 8/4 make up two wholes. So 8/4. What fraction belongs in the circle above? Most of you got this one wrong because you didn't realize that there was another tick mark there. So we have 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/5. This should be 7/5, and the circle is 8/5. And then how many fifths make up one whole? Well, here's 1. 5/5 is under it. Also, I could come here and look. There's one whole. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5 make up one whole. So my answer there would be 5. How many fifths make up two wholes? Well, here, if this is 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, this would be 10/5, but I could also show that here. This is two wholes, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, 10/5. It would take 10/5 to make up two wholes. How many fifths would make up 3 wholes? Well, if this is 10/5, 11/5, 12/5, 13/5, 14/5, 15/5. I can show you that here. Take away the 4s. I know right here I have 10/5 to make up two wholes, 11/5, 12/5, 13/5, 14/5, 15/5. There's one whole, 2 holes, 3 holes. So 15 make up 3 holes.